The next app on the list goes by the name of Spike, and Spike does not need any introduction. If you guys haven't heard about Spike already, it's an email client that basically takes a very creative spin on your email by turning your email into chat threads. So basically, think of Gmail plus Messenger. This is what that would look like. Not only that, this means that you can, very easily talk to everybody on email with a lot of ease. It also intelligently categorizes your email, so your important emails come in your priority inbox and the other promotional stuff goes to a different place. You don't have to see them in the same thread, which can reduce a lot of distractions and make sure you guys are so much more productive. Another really cool Spike feature that I am a huge fan of is the fact that Spike makes you talk to people and not through threads. What this means is, if you find a person that you've been emailing with, and even if you have, let's say, a lot of different email threads with that person, going to that person's account or profile will let you view all of the attachments and all of the email threads that you've had with that person. I cannot tell you how many times this feature has helped me out to find an old attachment that I had shared with a client, or to find out an old conversation piece or contract that I had created. It's great. Spike also has read receipts, so you can go ahead and see when somebody opened and read your email, and you also have the ability to view events in your calendar, go ahead and chat with different people, as well as video call and voice call right within Spike, and you also have the ability to send voice notes. I use Spike for all of my email accounts, and I've been using it for a long time now, and I do not intend to change them. That is because they're probably the best email client out there. Be sure to check it out. It will be linked below. With that said, what's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. Speaking of which, a very happy new year to all of you watching this. 2022 is here, and I really think that this is going to be a year full of surprises and full of great things for all of us out there. With that said, in today's video, we're checking out some of the best productivity applications that you should definitely have on your phone before you start 2022. So get your phones out, open up the Google Play Store, sit back, watch this video. Let's talk about the next application. If you need a productivity application to track your times, whether you're studying or giving a mock test, or you just want to track the time that you're working and spending on Netflix, etc., Belion Time Tracker is going to be an application that is the easiest way to track your time with a pretty smooth interface and also provide you with statistics. Essentially, this is an application where you can either start a random timer or create a personal tag like work or playtime, and then assign and create projects with the press of a button. Or you open up the app, you start the timer and you start working, and you can set a 5, 10, 25 or even a 60-minute countdown timer for your tasks, and you can worry about setting up later and just get to work. What that does after you end the task is save it in your My Tasks, and then you can go to your statistics page and basically view all the different stats throughout the day, the week, or even the month, and see how much you've been working. It's a great way to categorize the time you spent on studying or working and the time that you spent on leisure, and it's really a great application to boost your productivity. Next up, we've got an application called Privacy Dashboard, and there are just so many applications that view our permissions as well as access our location and camera, and we don't really get to know them. Privacy Dashboard just makes that so much easier. The app has a simple and clean timeline view of apps that have access to your location, microphone and camera, and you can also see a lot of different indicators. Whenever you open up an app that's accessing your camera, an indicator pops up on the corner of your screen telling you that this app is accessing your camera. It's really cool, as you can see on the right side of the screen, and I really enjoy it. It's a great application, not much to it other than this. Be sure to check it out. Proday is an application whose motive is very simple: to keep you productive every single day. Once you open up the application, there's just one thing you have to do: add tasks. So you can add a total of 3 tasks, and as soon as you add 3 tasks, you can basically be productive. The app says that it's proud of you, and who doesn't like hearing that somebody is proud of them? You also have the ability to add custom tasks and keep adding tasks. You don't have to stop at 3. If you add more than 3 or 4 tasks, you get a super day. You can win different sorts of leaderboards and different sorts of achievements from the app itself. But other than that, the motive of the application is super simple, right? You open the app up, log your tasks, and get out of there. The app is designed in a way where you don't have to spend a lot of time in the app itself, and in my opinion, that is one of the best ways to identify a good productivity application. Be sure to check it out, and let's move on to the last application of this list. Last but not the least, we've got an application called Volume Immersive Reading. And if I have to choose one application that can provide you guys with world-class information and info on curious topics, basically an application that will not only keep you productive but well read, I think Volume is the one to do. This is the world's finest bite-sized content all under one platform. All you have to do is learn and see all these bite-sized magazines. They're very aesthetically organized into these sort of magazines, online magazines, I would say. You click on them, then you keep swiping, and then you can read whatever the topic is there about. I really like enjoying this, and I featured this in a previous video of mine, and I absolutely fell in love with it because of the amount of customization options as well as the amount of finesse that this application had in it. I would highly recommend it to anyone who wants to learn in an aesthetic fashion, if you will. This is a great application to do that with, so be sure to check it out. Well guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy it, you know what to do. Be sure to drop a like, click on that bell icon, turn your notifications on, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below which was your favorite application. If there's any other app that you'd like me or the people watching this video to check out, be sure to put them in the comments below as well. With that said, I'll be back with a new video soon. This is Anubhav signing out. You guys have a great day. Stay safe. Peace out.